This is buckle down page 66. Write 8/10 in simplest form, then write another equivalent fraction for 8/10. First, write the fraction in simplest form. To do that, we need to list factors of 8 and factors of 10. Alright, I like to list my factors this way. For 8 is 1 times 8, 2 times 4, 3 doesn't work, and we already have 4 times 2, so that is it for factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. Alright, factors of 10. 1 times 10, 2 times 5, 3 doesn't work, 4 doesn't work, and we already have 5, so that's it. 1, 2, 5, and 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10. The greatest common factor of 8 and 10 is, let's see, the biggest one they have it in common is 2. Divide the numerator and denominator by 2, since that is greatest common factor. So we have 8/10. Divide the numerator and denominator by 2, which will give us 4/5. So simplest form of 8/10 is 4/5. Now next question. Multiply the numerator and denominator of 8/10 by, well, you could choose any whole number in form of fraction. You could choose 2/2 or 3/3 or 4/4, so on. This time, to make it easier, I'll just choose 2/2. So we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator of 8/10 by 2. So we have 8/10. We're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Keep in mind, when you have 2/2, that is 1 whole. So we are actually multiplying it by 1 whole. So we are not changing any value, we're just making it look different. 8 times 2 is 16. 10 times 2 is 20. So equivalent fraction of 8/10 is 16/20. Again, possibilities are infinite. There are many, many, many possibilities. In simplest form, 8/10 is 4/5. Another fraction equivalent to 8/10 is 16/20. Thanks.